I'm going to be showing where the Global helicopter is to land here as Forrest and Meadow are waiting in the Viking tug. It's going all right. The milling's going well, yeah?
Yeah? That's good. You're so cute! How old are you guys?
I'm 3.
Wow! I told Jamie, he's like, yeah, it's cool.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Thanks. I know he's got a few also.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's fine.
Wow, Meadow, look at the helicopter, right? Excellent.
Have you guys met Jamie?
No, I haven't met Jamie. I'm going to meet Jamie though.
Yeah.
Meadow, stay close to the helicopter, okay? Just stay close to Kathy. Oh, nice work. Do you want to go?
Kind of more fun.
Yeah. Forrest, you want to sit in first of all?
At the same time.
Do you want to go and check it out? Yeah, hang on to there for. Meadow, do you want to go look at the helicopter? Go, look, go in the front then. Kathy's going to make room for you to go and sit in the front, Meadow.
Look at you.
Meadow, come here. Wow. You guys in the Global One helicopter, Meadow. Yeah, right on, buddy. Oh yeah, Can you imagine how fun this would be to have one of these?
Yeah.
And who's the reporter in the back? Oh, look at you.
You got the pilot, you got the reporter.
We do.